Umintri rangba ga jilla ukora ki sangma ka apun retre ujille ulo ong ba ki bor penya ki la shem ya ka rai ban khang ya ga jingthied Dohkha na Shabar na Bynta ga Jingshngain ki nong shong shnong. Habe krem ki lapatai ka bor usang ma ulo ong.
We have to realize that the chemicals that have been found in some of the fish that has been sold, where chemicals like formalin were found. Formalin is a chemical that is used to preserve dead bodies and is highly cancerous and very, very dangerous for human consumption. This should not be there in the fish.
Ki kinja dawai bala lap hakikat tu kat ni teli ki Dohkha ki badie ki dai u formalin. Ka sarkar ka la shem ya ka ni ka sinjam ban khang ya ka Jingthied Dohkha na Shabar ban pentik na ya ka Jingshngain ki Paidbah ka balong ka bakong san.
We're having a lot of cases of cancer, as you're aware, in the state, and hence as a step towards that, all aspects of what could affect the health of the citizens is being taken. There's a lot to be done, but as I said, this is not being done for any other purpose to stop the supply or anything like that from outside. We are obviously all concerned about it, and we would like the supply to be normalized, but it will not come at the cost of the safety and health of our citizens.